Oh, to see without my eyes. The first time that you kissed me, boundless by the time I cried. I built your walls around me. White noise, what an awful sound. Fumbling by Rogue River, feel my feet above the ground. Hand of God, deliver me. Oh, woe, woe is me. The first time that you touched me, oh, will wonders ever cease? Blessed be the mystery of Lord, I no longer believe, drowned in living waters, cursed by the love that I receive from my brother's daughter, like Hephaestion who died, Alexander's lover. Now my riverbed has dried. Shall I find no other? Oh, woe is me. I'm running like a plover. Now I'm prone to misery. The birthmark on your shoulder reminds me. How much sorrow can I take?
Что ты такая наядная? Она наядная. Написала и много-много радости. Детишка принесла.
In your bed, river of unhappiness, hold your hands upon my head. My last breath, oh, woe is me. The last time